If you know mini games, you usually play with 2 dice. You roll, and then you move that number of spaces. But have you ever wondered, what are the chances of getting specific sums? Like, for example, rolling a 2, what is the chance of getting snake eyes? There are 6 sides on each dice, and there are 6 possible combinations here and 6 possible combinations here, making a 1 in 36 chance, because 6 times 6 is 36. But what I want to talk about is, what is a chance of rolling like a 1 and a 2? Or like a 2 and a 1? But before that, we have to talk about combination and permutation. What you see in front of here is this combination, 1 and 2, and this combination, 2 and 1, are actually the same. But it's the permutation that is different. This 1 and 2 are in this order, this 2 and 1 are in a different order. For rolling something that sums to a 3, there are 2 permutations and 1 combination. But when it comes to probability, it's permutation that matters. So, if we grab 2 dice and we roll them, this is a 6. What is the chance of rolling something that sums to a 6? Well, we have 4 and a 2, and we could have 4 and a 2. Because the permutation are different. Changing the order changes the permutation. What was it? It was a 4 and a 2. Here we go. So we also have a 5 and a 1 that gives us a sum of 6. We have a 3 and a 3 that gives us a sum of 6. Where's the 3? There we go. So the 3 and the 3, this actually counts as 1 permutation. If you do this, the permutation is the same because both are 3. Like we saw with the 1 and 1, this is the same permutation. This is the same permutation. But if we sum up all of what we did, so it was a 6 we got, so a 2 and a 4. Let me get out a bunch of dice. So here we have all the 5 sets. We have the 3 and 3, the 2 and 4, the 5 and 1, the 1 and 5, and the 4 and 2. These are the 5 possible permutations for rolling something that sums to a 6. Now, if there are 36 total permutations / combinations when you roll a dice, because you have 6 on each side, 6 times 6 is 36, and there's only 5 permutations, the chance of rolling something that sums to a 6 is 5 in 36. Now, what about something like, let's see what I roll. I just rolled a 6 again, nice. A 3, what is the chance of rolling a 3? So we have a 1 and a 2. And what about a 2 and a 1? 1 and a 2 and a 2 and a 1. Those are the only 2 permutations that sum to a 3. So that is a 2 in 36 chance of occurring. And if you want to know the equation for it, let me get out pencil and paper. Here I have the sums, so rolling a 2, a 3, a 4, 5, all the way down to a 12, and their respective chances. So what do you notice about the pattern here? So for 2, we have 1 out of 36. For 3, we have 2. For 4, we have 3. And it goes up by 1 each time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then at 7, which is the most likely, it goes opposite direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now you can use this knowledge when you're playing a board game to defeat your opponents. You have an understanding now of the chances of rolling dice sums.